and Canada.
Ebi byagamba oli omuhandiiki mukuru wa Ministry y'enshonga z'aheeru y'eihanga Bagire Waiswa Vincent obu yaaba naareebekaho omu kakiiko ka Parliament aka PAC kugarukamu ebibuuzo aha nshonga z'ebyo ebyareebukire omu ripoota ya Audit General. Na bwanyuma abanyeshengyero bamubuuza aha mbeera eri omu mahanga agarimu orutaro hamwe n'okubakuza kuyamba abanya-Uganda bari omu mahanga ago.
Given the fact that all countries are giving advisor to their citizens, you must be aware about what is going on. With regard to the invasion of Iran by America and Israel, bearing in mind that Iran is a member of the non-aligned movement and Uganda is also a member of the non-aligned movement, what is our position as a country?
Omu kugarukamu Bagire yagambira abanyeshengyero ngu obwahati bariyo nibagyenda omu maisho kureeba abanya-Uganda bari omu mahanga ga Middle East aho orutaro oru ruriyo nirugyenda omu maisho kandi abantu 43 baayihirwe omu ihanga rya Iran nibaza kuhika omu Uganda izooba eri kandi omuntu omwe niwe yafunire obuhuta omu rutaro oru.
We have engaged the leadership. The leadership there has been proactive. Yesterday, in the last 2 days in the UAE, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs over the United Arab Emirates has engaged all the entire diplomatic corps and given them an update and the status of what is happening.
Ogu yayongera yagira ngu obwahati baba basize kukwataniisa n'amahanga ago agarimu orutaro kandi barabura abantu baabo ngu barekeraho kutambatambura kandi bakorere omuka omuringo gumwe gw'okwehara ebizibu ebirikwijira omu rutaro oru.
And they've advised what the foreign citizens as well as their citizens need to do, and the advice they've given is restriction of movements and perhaps staying indoor. Our missions, both missions in Qatar, Saudi Arabia as well as Abu Dhabi.
Bagire yayongera yarabura abanya-Uganda boona okushazamu entambura zaabo nk'omuringo gw'okwehara ebizibu kandi ngo batiireho emihanda ey'omuntu akwenda obuyambi bararabemu okuyambibwa.
Our embassy managed to repatriate or evacuate the Ugandan students. Now, on that occasion, there were indeed some Ugandans that were known to our embassy. They were contacted and asked whether we would evacuate them as well.
Abanyeshengyero bashaba ekitongore eki okufayo muno nga bakateekaho enkora y'okuyamba abanya-Uganda abakuba bafunire obuzibu omu mahanga g'aheeru bitu omuhandiiki mukuru yagira ngu taine rusa rw'okugambira muntu weena owu Uganda erikuhagira omu rutaro rwa United States of America, Israel hamwe na Iran.
That was the case of Nambarira Prosi, the one that you handled. Most of you saw that lady that went viral on social media. We worked closely with Foreign Affairs and we assisted.
Ekyokubiri ne tubabuuza ku baana bane bannayuganda abali mu nsi zino naddala Iran, n'atutegeeza nti ababadde baliyo nga basoma babadde inita 43 bakomawo.
Abantu baffe abali ku lutalo lwaguddewo luno nga tebategedde bayimiriddewa era bavuddeyo batya. Kinajjukirwa nti amawanga ga Afrika ge gasinga okuweereza abantu baago okukola mu mawanga g'Abawarabu.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Ronald Ngabirano omuli Kampala.